Right, lads. This is the class. I should have posted it up last Friday, but anyway, it's for last Friday's class. This is isometric drawing. We did some of this already. So for this, you will need your 30, 60 degree set square. So what we want to do now is draw this A. It's 100 millimeters high. It's 60 wide, 20, 20, and 20, and it is 20 deep. So we're going to need our axis and our 30 degree set square. So our axis, we start off with a vertical line, a line at 30 degrees using your set square to the right. Draw that line. A line to the left using your 30 degree set square like that, and that will give you that line. Now that is our axis. There, once you get that sorted out, everything else settles in. Most of the lines here will be 30, 60 degrees. So let's just draw that. Come up 100. Where do I get the 100 from here? There's 100. And I'm going to box it in. Back 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Draw that, that, and that. Now, that is 30 degrees to right, 30 degrees. Likewise, set square there, there. These are three vertical lines. Once you have that drawn, everything else follows nice and neatly. Now, this line will not be 30 degrees, nor that one, nor those two, but we can find those because we know the dimension. So let's come in 20. Here's our 20. Draw a vertical line, come in 20 from there, see where I get it here. So that leg is 20. So there, the left and right leg of the A. So come down 20. Where do I get that? There, that gives me that corner, but it also gives me these two shoulders. So I get that. So I can heavy those in. Now, bring that up there, and you can see the shape, it's taking shape. So we didn't need to worry about the angle of that, because once I came down 20 and in 20, I had that one. So, if you want to come down 10, where do I get 10? It's the little shoulder there. Down another 20, there's that 20 to get the bottom of that part, and up 30 to get that little piece. So you can heavy those two in. Heavy that in, bring it up. Now, how did I get that one? Well, that one is the center. We know that that dimension is 20, so if the center is 10. So come in 10 millimeters and draw that line to there. In 10 millimeters, draw that line to there. And that gives you that. Now, that's it of that. Now to get some depth, we're going to come back here, a little bit of depth, and that gives me that one. Now we've nearly finished. Very, very close to finishing. We just see these little pieces here. So I need to come back there to give myself a certain depth. And now I can just colour it in. And there is the exercise for today. Thank you, lads. Hope all is well with you.